Hi guys, good evening all. How are you doing today?
Yes, sir, doing good.
It's
Yes,
fine.
doing good. Thank
Yes.
you. How are you?
Okay, yesterday we discussed about the Excel interface, right? Am I right? Excel interface. What are there in Excel interface? In one Excel, what do you mean by workbook? What do you mean by workbook, guys? What do you mean by workbook?
Collection of worksheets are called workbook.
Collection of worksheet. Collection of worksheet is called as workbook. In one worksheet, in one workbook, how many worksheets will be there? 100. In
100.
worksheet, in single worksheet, how many rows will be there? 1
256.
million. How many
1
columns
million.
will be there?
256.
256 columns, right? What do you mean by row? What do you mean by sheet? What do you mean by sheet or spread? Anything, Excel sheet or spread?
Combination of rows and columns.
Combination of rows and columns. Ribbon, what do you mean by ribbon? Collection of tabs, different tabs like a file, home, insert, draw, all this. Yesterday we were discussed the concept. We discussed about the different keywords, right? Am I right? I just given the introduction. Now in today's session, also we discussed about the setting a print area. We discussed how to print only selected active worksheet, how to print the overall worksheet, right? Entire workbook, how to select print only or selected regions or only patterns and all we discussed. Now, okay, what do you mean by spreadsheet? Collection of rows and columns. You can activate cell by using presenting the tab key, clicking the cell, pressing an arrow in the key, all the above. What is the answer? All of the above. Am I right, Rajeshri? Okay. Rows in MS Excel are represented numbers, columns, alphabets. How to give a print of the selected range? How to
By selecting a print active sheet.
print active sheet or by selecting the print selection? Print
By
selection.
selecting a print selection.
By selecting a print selection. Okay. What is this? Now in today's session, we'll discuss about how to format the data. Now, what is this step? What do we call under this?
Spreadsheet.
One time thing. What do we call?
Table.
What is the screen? What do we call? Image, guys. What do you call this image?
The table.
Table, right? Table, right? And nothing is a table, right? It is not a table. Table only, right? No, it is not a table.
Yes, it is.
Table. Maybe these are the rows, columns, everything is a table, right? Right. What do we call this one? Only the one which is the box, highlighted box? Cell. The entire thing is called table or spreadsheet. Spreadsheet also are simple to say table. Now, how to formatting the basic formatting? For this cell, I want to highlight only particular cell. In this, how many cells we have? 9 cells. Am I right? 9 cells only, right? In these 9 cells, I want highlight particular cell. How to highlight? I want produce only some numbers in the particular cell only. I want, for example, let me give a simple example. What is this number? What is the value? 10,000. Now, it will take for at least 1 or 2 minutes of time, at least 30 seconds of time. Now, if I format this number, now you have a question, sir. What do you mean by format this number? Now I have a question. What do you mean by format this number? Now I want to read this number. How will I read? Suppose I given some number. How will you read it? Generally, maybe for example, what about now? 10,000. How do you just separate the comma? 10,000. Now again, right? Maybe, right? Some people write like this, right? This is how we read. Now, is it a number? Which number? Suppose if I say amount, this is an amount, for example, 10,000, 10,000. What do you say? 10,000. If I said amount, which currency is it? Which currency is it? Indian currency? We are not sure, right? We are not sure, right? Whether it is an Indian currency or USA or Europe or some blah blah blah. We don't know. Now I want to represent before the number. I also represent the symbol of the currency. I just give the number. I want to convert this into it, right? In the number into US currency. How do I convert? Of course, you know the dollar, but how do you convert practically by using Excel, right? So this is a cell. Remember, that is one example. How we are going to format one of the example. Now I want to highlight this cell, right? What color? Now I want to highlight in the bold, where everyone can able to visible with highlight. For example, does everyone watch cricket? Does everyone watch cricket?
Yeah, of course.
Yes, right? Does everyone watch the cricket, right? Okay. Now, how do you identify who is the captain of India? How to identify who is the captain of India? So before the match, they will display all the 11 numbers, right? How many players will play the match? 12, right? 11 or 12? 11. How to
11.
identify who is the wicket keeper, who is the captain? In the bracket, they mention C. For captain, WK is the wicket keeper. That is all. Suppose I want to highlight in this group, let's say we have almost 50 members in my, right? 50 members, right? Offline, online, combined. Let's say 40, let's say 40. Now I want to highlight one particular person name. Now there are 40 members. I love Mr. Ramagopal Krishna, right? I have special interest on Ramagopal Krishna. I want to highlight his name. How will I identify? How will I highlight it?
By
Generally, how will you
making
do? So there is a 40 student. Generally, think it logical. Forget about Excel. I want to highlight one person. Let's say
Make
we
it
have
bold.
let's say we have a cabinet, prime minister and all, right? Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his cabinet of 80 members. Out of 80 members, it is difficult to read one by one. But we want to highlight one person name, right? Prime Minister name. How will you highlight? By
By making
highlighting. How to
bold
highlight?
or any
Giving
adding
some.
any colors.
Sorry, madam.
By bolding the name or adding any colors to
By
its.
bolding the name, right? By bolding the name. What are the different bold we have? We will discuss, right? How to highlight a particular set. Understood the point? These are the things we are going to cover. Let me give one more scenario. What else we can able to perform? Let's think logically. So third scenario, you have written this is a cell, right? This is a cell. I have written hello, how I world today biggest some blah 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 I have written. Some blah 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 I have written. Now, is it fitting in single sheet? Single cell, sorry. Is it fitting in single cell? Is it fitting in single cell? No, right? Now, how to fit this entire content into a single cell? How to fit entire thing into single cell? Understood? Now, explicitly, I am talking about the cell, right? Understood? How to do all these things, how to perform all these things in Excel, we will discuss in today's content. That is what our goal for today. Any confusions, any questions, guys? Any doubts so far? Okay, let's see. So the running agenda, as I said, right? How to format the cell and its content. Cell alignment. I want to put the all information left, right, middle, right? That is what alignment, right? Wheel alignment. You might have a car or two-wheeler. We do perform the wheel alignment. Sometimes when you use take the right, sometimes go right, right, sometimes go left, but it should be straight, center, right? How to align, right? So when you construct a house also should be straight, should not move towards right or left the wall, right? Alignment, like cell alignment, how to perform the cell alignment. Merge and wrap text. You know, the one I given a lot of content. How to fit entire content, 20 words or 50 words, let's say. 50 words, is it possible to fit in one single cell? No, directly not possible. How to merge 50 cells? Or how to combine 2-3 cells into a single cell? Am I right? Or how to fit the large content into a single cell? How to fit it? That's what we are going to discuss with the help of merger, wrap, text. Cell styles, you said that right, bold color, right? Font, what the font, number font, border, color, I want to highlight that, right? How to format the cell and its content, insert the background image, change the theme, hide or unhide the rows or column, index, numbers. That's what we are going to discuss in today's class. Are you clear about this? This is the agenda for today's class. Okay, what is the first thing? In Excel, we have multiple options to change the look of a cell. One is the font face, color, style, size, number format, alignment, cell background color, cell background style, height and width. Let's discuss what is the syntax, what is the shortcut for this? Control 1. Okay, control 1. Let's discuss about this practicality. Okay, let's discuss about this practice. Let's discuss about the practice. Now, I'm taking the example cell. Okay. So change the font style. First one, change the font style, make it bold, change the color to red, and size of the font must be 16. I'm taking the first example. Change the font style, right? I'm taking the data vision of company name. Font here, can you see the insert? Sorry, home. Everyone see the ribbon under the home. This is the part, Aptos narrow 14. So Aptos narrow, let's say these are the font, themes of font, all fonts. These are the different fonts we have. Different, let's say Barista. Let's say I want to make Albany. See how I'm changing. Let's say I want to change Arial. Let's say I want to change to Times New Roman. So I want to change to Calibri, right? Open your Excel sheet, everyone. Can you do the same thing what I'm doing currently? Will you able to do? Please do it fast along with me, guys. Right? See Calibri, right? This is the fonts. And can you do it immediately, please? Do it fast along with me. Write down your name, any name, fine. See what you need to change. Play with the different Bookman old show, old style, or book Antiqua, right? Mongolo, something. See here, something. See, how I'm changing it, guys. How I'm changing it. See, right? How I'm changing it. Are you able to get? Able to do? Right? Now, guys, any questions? Any doubt? Anup, Bhagashri, Anant, Abdul Rashid, Srinath, Srihari, Swati, Sunny.
Yes, sir.
Right? Right? Are you clear about this? Right? Now, next, let's say I want to make it Calibri. I want to make it Calibri. So as per this first one, what we discussed, change the font style. Is it done? Change the font style is done. Suppose now what is our font size as of now?
Calibri.
Calibri. Now I want to change to Times New Roman. How do I change? Control H, sorry, Alt H, or Control 1. See here. Control 1. Control 1. Here, font. Can you see the font? Can you see the font? When I press the Control 1 on the keyboard, what do you need to press? Control 1. You can see the format cells. Under the format cells, you can see the different fonts. So from here, you can choose one of the font, whichever the font you want, right? Now font, okay. Are you clear about this? So let's say how it font. See here, preview. Can you see the preview, how it's changing? Guys are able to follow me, guys. So I want to change to Calibri. I think directly, Calibri. See, Calibri, right? How I'm going, right? That is how we need to perform. Right? Now, what is the next point? What is the next point, guys? Make it bold. So this is the one, make it bold. Direct shortcut is Control B. Control B. Or here, can you see here? These are three options we have. What are those? B. B is nothing but bold. I, italic, Control I. See the size, syntax here only. Not syntax, shortcut. U is the underline, Control U. So this is the, if you want to make it, if you want to make the three shortcuts, make it bold means, right? What are the different things? We have three shortcuts. What are those? Control B, Control I, and Control U. Now I use the Control B. Now I use Control I. See how I change. Control U. See the underline. If you remove the Control U again, press, it will remove the underline. Control B, bold. So I want to make it bold and italic, right? Now, see, this is italic. Now this is the normal, right? This is, let's say, I want to change to Calibri. Now it's Calibri, right? Understood? Now I want to first make bold. In order to make the first bold, what do I need to do? What is the shortcut I need to use? Control B. Now it is bold, right? Now I want to make bold along with italic. Remember, listen carefully. Listen carefully. Look at here, please. When I select the bold, here the B symbol is highlighted. Remember, here where my cursor is, bold symbol is highlighted. I also want highlighted the I, italic. So now it means it is highlighted, bold, and italic. Now see how my words looks. Can you write 5 names? Your father name, mother name, your father name, mother name, your sibling, and one with the bold, one with the underline, one with the italic. Can you do it? Can you do it as an assignment? Do it fast. Guys, will you able to do? Anant, Anup, Swati?
Yes.
Will you able to do? So write down your father
Yes.
name, mother name, your name, and sibling name. Your father and mother name highlighted with the bold color. Your name highlighted with the italic. Your sibling name highlighted with the underline. Will you able to do?
Yes.
Yes or no? Simple to say.
Yes.
For example, Shiva, Leela. 40. Anji. These are my family number. So Shiva is my dad. Let's say control B, bold. My mother name also highlighted the bold. My name is I, control italic. My brother name is Anji. See how I highlighted? Done? Everyone clear? Got it the right? Any confusion? Any questions? No. Next one. Make it bold. Change the color to red. Change the color to red. Now see, these are the colors. We have these are the colors we have. Now see, this is the part we are discussing. This is the part, only this part only we are discussing at this point. Am I right? In this class, in this point, at this point, I'm discussing about only this box, right? Now see here, I highlighted to 18. Can you see the 18? Or I want highlighted to 24. Or you want single one highlighted to 14, right? Now I want to make 26. Now I will make 45. Understood? So simple, you want make it 4. Right? See here, A plus, can you see A arrow mark? These are the different arrow mark, up and down. Can you see the A arrow mark up and down? That means when you click on this up arrow mark, increase the font size. This one is decrease the font size. If I want, see, this is the 14, right? If I want to increase the size by pressing the shortcuts, how will I do? Alt H first, Fs. Then let's see what I'm trying to do. Let's see, Alt H Fs, and then you can write 70. Sorry, my bad. And see, Alt H Fs, and then you can use the arrow mark, down arrow, up arrow marks, and then enter. Shortcut. Confusion, guys? Any confusion about the shortcut? Right? Okay. Now see, are you clear about this? How to update the font or increase? What is the shortcut, guys? Alt H plus Fs and use your arrow mark. Suppose I want to change the calibri font. How do I change? Alt H. See, Alt H, Alt H, okay, FF, and then you can follow FF. Okay, Alt H, FF is the font face. Basically, different font selections. FS is font size, number, font face, and font size. Clear? Now I want to highlight this to red. Highlighted the red. Only the cell, whatever the content is highlighted, right? Red color. I want to highlight FC font color. You select the font colors, different font colors, whatever the more colors also you can select from here, right? Different font colors. Suppose I want to make it red or anything. Are you clear? Right? Any confusion, guys? Madam, confusion? Any confusion,
No.
guys? Anyone? Anup, Anant, Mugdeshwaran,
No, it's okay.
No, sir. No, sir.
No.
Nimesh? Is it fast or is
Yeah,
it slow?
Oh,
Sorry, Anant.
okay.
So now only the highlight content is highlighted, right? I also want to highlight the background of the cell with particular color. I want to highlight the background of the cell. How to highlight the background? See here, you can see the fill color, right? Can you see the fill color? Just click on the background. Let's say which color it is suitable. Yellow, na? I don't like yellow. Okay, now black. Any color you can. Okay, data. See how highlighted. This is the background of the cell. Now do one thing. Earlier you created your father name, mother name, and your names, right? Now highlight all your details with a font of 18. Font of 18 and times New Roman. Font face is times New Roman. Font size is 18. Font color is red color. Fill color is blue. Okay, are you clear? Confusion? Subhit, you highlighted, you have written their father name, mother name, your name, and your sibling names, right? And change the font face to Times New Roman. Font size is 18. Font color is red. Fill color is blue. Will you able to do? Do it fast, 1 minute. Do it fast, guys. Rashid, are you done? Rashid, is it completed? Rashid, is it completed?
Yeah, it's done.
It's done, right? Ryan, are you done? See here, this is the one I taken the names. Whatever I remove everything, I am right. So I'm writing the, let's say, Shiva, Leela, 40, Anji. Now what is the font face? Times Alt H F C. Sorry. Select this 4. Okay. Select the 4. As we are using the 4, right? Select 4. Alt H F times New Roman. Now I change to times New Roman. Now Alt H F S 18. Is it changed to 18? Right? What is the font size? What is the font color are we looking? Red color, right? Alt H F C red. This is the red, right? Alt H, right? Again H. I want to highlight the blue. Where is the blue? This is green or blue? Green, blue, light blue. Okay. This is the requirement of. Are you done? Right? Everyone clear? Now, as per the requirement, we have done the change the font size, make it bold, change the color to red, and size of the font must be 16 or 18. This also we have completed. Any doubt, any questions? Any doubt, any questions, guys? No? Everyone clear about this? Right? First one. Next, what is the second point? Change the number format to 2 decimal position and format it to the currency. Now we discuss some number, right? Let's discuss about the some number. So can you tell me some number? Anyone number? Some number. 23. Tell me big number. Tell me some big number.
424246.
4242
46.
424246. Okay. Already we have done, right? Number. Okay. 424246. Okay. Now try to, okay, do along with me. Now, what is this number if I ask you to read? If I ask you to read, will you able to read? If I ask you to read 4,24,246. Is it difficult to read, right? Now, if I write, change this to comma format, it will be easy to write. Yes, right? Here, can you see the comma? Here in this section, can you see the number section? We discussed so far, font section is completed, right? Font section, you are clear, right? Now, I'm discussing about the number section. Now, I'm discussing about the number section, number bar, right? Can you see the number bar? Which one I'm discussing? Comma. See, comma. When I click on this, what is happening? 424, comma 246. Am I right? 424, comma 246. Now, one question I have. Right now, here by default, I click on this, you got the 0, 00, right? You don't want 00. You want to remove it. Here, can you see the right arrow, left arrow? If you use the right arrow, it will remove 2 zeros. Right arrow. If you use the left arrow, it will add the more zeros. If you use the right arrow, it will remove all the zeros, decimal values. If you use the right arrow, it will remove all the decimal values. If you use the left arrow, it will add the decimal values. Clear? Are you clear about this? Left arrow and right arrow. If you use the right arrow, how many decimal points I want to use? Right, left arrow? 2. I want to use 3 decimal points also. Maybe. Okay, this is the small number. Okay. Now I want to change this number. We don't know whether which currency it is. I want change to, here can you see the symbol? English, United Rupees, Indian Rupees. See now it is Indian Rupees. Now here can you see the symbols? Right? Accounting number format. Euro. Suppose I want to change to Chinese, Switzerland. I want to change to United Kingdom. Right? So I want to make it dollar. We are Indians, right? We can keep Indian currency. Right? Are you clear about this? Now, any questions, guys? Any doubt? 424, comma 246. 424, comma 246. Right? Are you clear? Now I'm taking the other number. Now I want to highlight with the red color. How to highlight with the red color now? You know, right? Red color. I want this make font to Times New Roman. I want to make font to 18. Will you able to do right now all these things? I want to fill the background color to blue. Are you done? Is it clear now? Now how the numbers is okay. Now right. So use control 1. Control 1. Now you can see. You want to see regular font. You want to see bold italic. You want to see 20 font. You want to see Times New Roman. Right? F underline color normal font. Normal font, see, it will go to the color is black. Normal font. When you click on the normal font. Right? 14 font. Okay. See, and this is the apps. Okay. What is this cell, guys? This cell is Times New Roman. Right? Suppose I add some number. Listen carefully, everyone. 5456. Now, what about this one? What about this 512456 point? Let's say 254. What number it is? I mean, forget about the number. What font face is it? Aptos narrow. Aptos narrow. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. 424 Times New Roman. That means we are facing one challenge. What is that? For every cell, we need to change the font face. Now, do you think is it possible? Do you think is it possible? No, right? Obviously, no. Now what I will do, how to overcome this kind of situations. Are you clear the problem challenge? So go to the file. You can see the more and options, right? Here you can see the general. Okay. See here default font. See default font, whatever the font you want. Suppose you want the font, different fonts. So you want Calibri. So entire sheet you want to maintain the same font size also, right? So the font size is, let's say 18 and okay. So please close and restart Microsoft Excel so that font change can take effect. Now let's see, close it, don't save, control. See, Aptos now 14. I think I need to close all the things. I do not close. That is the reason it is not changing the effect. Otherwise, it will change the effect because I must have to change all these things. I need to close all the Excel file. I have not closed, right? One more file. That is the reason it is not showing. Are you able to follow me, guys? Okay. Are you clear? Change the number format to decimal position and format it currency, right? And merge the cell and deal with the long string to accommodate in a cell. Third point, is it correct? Right. How do I deal? See, listen. Welcome to KSR Data Vision and learn Excel. Learn Excel and become a data analyst expert using Excel. Right? Something I've written. You can write your own thing, no problem. You can write something your own. Right? But one question I have. Entire thing, is it fit into single cell or multiple cell? Multiple cell. But I need to fit entire thing into one cell. Here, can you see the align? Now we discuss about the number. We discuss about the font. In the middle, what is this? Alignment. Can you see the alignment? This is the ABC. This is the, can you see ABC? Can you see the ABC? Everyone wrapped. See, this one we got the right. Now right click, row height. See, this is the row height. Can you see this is the too long, right? Row. I want to make it row height. Can you see the right click? When I click on the cell, column, where are the column number 8? Can you see the row height? Row height is 180. Now I want to fit to 130. See, I want to fit to 130. I want to fit to, let's say, row height to 80. But what is happening here? What is happening here, madam? Rajeshri, not understood?
Hiding
What
the
is happening here?
words.
Now we cannot able to read the column. So again, click on the column and you can see the column width now. Can you see the column width? Now I want to expand the column. Now instead of 8, let's make it 11. Now understood? Or let's say I want to make column width to instead of 11 to 20. Understood how to adjust the row height and how to adjust the column width. Neeraj, are you clear about this? How to adjust the column height and row width? Right? Any questions? Any doubt?
No,
Yes, please, Moksha.
no, I don't have any doubt.
Right? Now understood how to wrap the text and how to fit the multiple cells information into 2 cells. Right? This is the one way. Now I want the information, right? Now these are the left where I want to keep. These are the upper, center. I want to make it center, right? Alignments, right, left, starting from left, or I want to make the center align. See, this is the one is align left, center. What about this? Align right. So this is top alignment. This is middle alignment. This is bottom alignment. See, simple is always remember top, middle, and center alignment is the most approachable way. What is the alignment? Center and middle. Right? Let me take a simple example, guys. So name, ID, name, let's say location, qualification. Listen carefully, everyone. I'm explaining the table, right? Everything I'm explaining the table, right? Listen carefully. ID is 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128. Can you tell me names? Can you spell out some names? Abdul. Next name?
Anusha, Manjula,
Rajesh,
Manjula. Rajesh. Next?
Mohan,
Bhagyashree,
Bhagya. Next, Deepika. Okay. Abdul from Dubai. Anusha from Bangalore. Manjula from Andhra. Rajesh from
Chennai,
Chennai. Bhagyashree from Pune.
Pune,
Deepika, Hyderabad. What is your qualification, guys? See, I convert the See, better way. I given the Dubai, all these things. See, when I click on the center Bangalore, it is given the Bangalore. When I click on the Hyderabad, Hyderabad, Chennai, Pune, right? This is what is this? Charminar. What is this? Pakishri, where is this location? Mumbai. Express Highway? No. This is Magarpata. The buildings you can see this, right? Magarpata. This is the area which connected to South Pune to North Pune. Now this building, are you guys in Bangalore? I don't know. Even I don't know this building. Okay, forget about it. Okay. So what I have done, see, I have changed the, when I click on here, okay, forget about that. Let me come to the back. But you cannot see what are they converted, right? You cannot see in the cracked version. You can see in the genuine versions only. Okay. Now qualification, Abdul, let's say BTech. Anusha B. Manjula, let's say MCA, Master of Computer Applications. Rajesh is BBA. MBA. Something I'm writing. Deepika, MTech. Okay. Now this is the data I've taken, right? Now we have learned how to change the font face, font color, font size, alignment, and number format. Here I have salary also. I want to include salary also, right? 5,000, 8,000, Manjula 9,000, Rajesh 12,000, Bhageshri 50, 60,000, Deepika 80. Okay, some number. Now see this first one, entire thing. Now I want to make the alignment as center and middle, center and see middle align. So middle align and center. See how it changes, right? This is the column, right? ID name. This is the column, right? Right. I want highlighted with a bold color. How to highlight the bold color? Control B. And highlighted the background of the fill color is red. Just give me 1 second, guys. Okay. Clear about this? Now these numbers, these IDs and all, right? I want highlighted with the italic, bold and italic. Control B, Control I, right? Understood? Now see how I'm playing with the table, right? Now these salaries, everyone will, as I see, Dubai. Dubai salary is in, it is not Indian rupees, right? It is not in Indian rupees. Dirhams. How will I do? Can I say here dirhams? No, right? Only I can able to see English United, English, Euro, Chinese, Switzerland. Now I want to keep the dirhams, right? Right? Is it correct? How will I do? Control 1, number. Can you see the number, right? Number and currency. Can you see the currency? Right. Currency symbol. What is symbol, guys? I don't know. Symbol. What is the symbol, sir? Abdul? Let's see. Let me know if it's gone.
Dirhams.
Dirhams, huh? Let me know which one is the right one. I don't know exactly which is the right one. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Abdul, I think I could not have. Is there? Is it gone?
AED.
AED, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's see. What happened? AED. See, AED. Understood? And then I need to press OK. See, AED 5,000. Now, what about these people where they are staying? Will it applicable for all other people? No, right? So these people are India, right? So I'm going to English India. Understood? Right? Clear? Now, any questions, any doubt? Now, this is the, I given this table. What does this table mean? What is this table? If I ask the table name, what is the table name? No one knows. No one knows. If you given to layman like Deepika, if I ask, hey, what happened? If I ask Deepika, can you tell me what is the table name? Sir, I don't know. Even Neeraj also said the same thing. Even if I ask to anyone, no one knows. But there should be name of the table, right? There should be name of the table. Guys, is it correct? So I'm writing here.
Yes.
Student information or employee information. So employee information, see, very listen. It is applicable from ID to salary, right? So all the rows. So what we need to combine multiple cells into single cell. What I will do? Okay. So I need to combine multiple cells in single cell. Then select it. You can see merge. Below wrap text, merge. Can you see merge?
Yes.
Merge and center. See, this how all the cells into become a single cell. Or you can see there are the different options, merge across, but always use merge cells, but always use merge and center. Now, if I ask you to read, it is a best way to read, right? It is the best way to read. Am I right? Now, when I go back to the point, right? Merge, are you clear about the first 3 points? right? Any questions, any doubt? Any questions, any doubt? No, right? Are you clear with the example? Now, but something is missing here in this table. Something is missing. Box, right? So it is a box is missing, right? What do we call the box? Border. You
Border.
constructed a beautiful house with Italian marbles, teak wood entry doors, like duplex, everything. But if you don't have a wall, or what do we call the entrance? Gate or wall. If you don't have that, is it look too good? Is it good to look? No, right? That is important, right? Design is really important, right? So here also for table, what is required? Border is required. So here, can you see the colors? There is a symbol called in the font border, right? When you select here, border, all border, seal all border, right? All border. Or you want to highlight it the border, all the borders with thick outside borders. The outside borders are very thick. Or you want to highlight thick draw borders. You want to draw borders. Maybe you want to highlight it with the red color. See, I will explain that. See, if you want to do that, select this, Control 1 again. Go to that, select this, Control 1. Can you see the border, everyone? See, I want to keep inside like this, or I want to like this. Different colors. But how you want to style? This is the one, right? Color is red color. Let's orange color. See, I want highlighted this color with the only orange color. Or this one is see different dots. See, understood how I change the border colors and all everything. If you don't know, don't play with here. Just press the Control 1. Wherever you want, it will give the preview. It will show the preview. Directly show the text, right? So you want outline, automatically got the outline. So you want inside, right? You want highlighted this with the only this color with the border color. This with the above top one is the dash. This one is dot, right? You want to highlight with the color. Let's say blue color. This one highlighted with the blue color. Sorry, color is blue, right? Right. This one highlighted with the right. Maybe the color. This one I want to highlight it with the purple, right? Or some other color I want to highlight it each one orange. So this one I want to highlight with orange. Maybe I use the red and all. You could not able to see correctly, but you know, right? Understood right? How to do? This is how we format a cell or a table and everything. Clear? This is how that we format the basic cell and now. Now are you clear about change the border color, border thickness, fill color in the background of the cells, right? Now let's see. Sheet formatting we will discuss in tomorrow. Change the theme, insert background, hide or hide the row index. Okay, we'll discuss in tomorrow. Guys, by today we are done with the free classes. For tomorrow onwards, it is a paid classes. Please reach out to the management. They can help you. Mahesh is the guy who is posting in the group and all. He can help you. Okay. Thank you. Any questions, guys? Any doubt?